Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Start and Grow. Today we're going to take a look at TubeBuddy. It's a YouTube growth tool, provides all kinds of great health reports, launch pads, analytics, and help with growing your channel. So I signed up for this many months ago. I haven't really been using it a whole lot and just been focusing on growing the YouTube channel, but we're approaching 800 subscribers and starting to hit some decent traction on our growth. So I figured I'd do a quick demo of what TubeBuddy is, just kind of walk through the features and show you what it's all about. So this is the main homepage here. I have got the Star license. Again, there's an upgrade to this where you go to Legendary, gives you all kinds of things, competitor scorecard, A/B tests, and retention analyzer, all kinds of things. As your channel grows, definitely something to do. I started with the Star, just kind of the basic, just to get going. I'm going to go through some of these features. So one of my favorite things here is really the Launchpad. This is a really neat thing where you can select videos. It runs through a checklist. So let's say we take, let's see here. Let's take this free sales funnel training and let's press process this. So it's going to process the video and it's going to check all the core things you need to have on each video. So I uploaded this video not too long ago. It's a short. It's not even a very descriptive video, but again, it's going through and checking them out. This is super helpful to have because you can really, get to the problem of why a video maybe isn't ranking and really kind of look at what are all the different components that you've done and maybe you've missed doing. So it takes a bit of time as it processes. Again, you need to connect this to your YouTube account. I know we haven't showed that part, but you need to integrate it and link it to your YouTube, obviously to your channel. As this is processing, we'll go through the navigation here. So you can see data and insights. There's a whole bunch of analytics on your page in this page. So looks like our status is done here. So we can look here, 5 best practices. There's a card missing, so I should do that. Playlist not included, right? So select a playlist. And what's neat here, you can literally, click the appropriate playlist right in the tool here, save it, it's adding. So this is one of the things I love the most about TubeBuddy is, you're controlling your channel from the tool in a lot of ways, especially the content. So again, as you kind of work through this, looking good, there we go. We captured all those. Tags too short. So here it's gonna tell you that you don't have enough tags. So you gotta add some more there. Title doesn't contain tags. So it's really going to get into the SEO analysis of your videos. So definitely, as you put, I guess, more in-depth videos, some of the larger trainings I do have, more focus on SEO. These are some shorts. So anyway, opportunities even shows you. So, high watch percentage. This video has a 71 average view percentage, some neat stats. And then comments also come in here. So really neat, really cool just to kind of see on the Launchpad. So that was the dashboard. Again, you can do all your videos one at a time, see what they're all like. The checklist is really cool. So this is the template that it's basically going through. And so compelling title, good description, tags, a good thumbnail, advanced settings, having your info cards, adding the video to a playlist, and then share on social media. So this is, again, really good checklists on every video to make sure you're doing the right things and, getting your video, properly configured, I guess, for your audience and for YouTube's search algorithms. So best practice setups. Again, here's a bunch of other best practices, YouTube best practices. They show all these things you should be doing, having captions, pinning comments, hearting comments, these are all things that you should be doing on your own videos, right? And just making sure. So again, really good checklists. What I like about this is you can outsource this to a virtual assistant if you want to get them to do your posting of videos and making sure all these checklists are followed. So again, helping you automate, your delegation. Opportunities set up. Again, this is going to show you the opportunities, that it wants to look at, and active monitoring. So there's some settings you can set here, and I haven't actually set this because I don't actively monitor, but here you can get notifications of things that are going on your YouTube channel, and going on in your TubeBuddy statistics. So search rank tracking, moving into here, this is where you start to get into keywords. So for example, here's ClickFunnels, takes us over to YouTube, and we can look at what the queries are for that, other keywords to track, and then you can go to ranking reports. So haven't generated this in a while. Let's see if we can generate this. So again, yeah, none of my videos show up in competitors. Again, this isn't a popular video or a really one that I haven't worked on doing all the checklists. So again, you can see really neat things though, but this helps you, if you're working for sales funnels and posting videos about that, it really helps you understand where you are in the top 50 search results. So very powerful, again, getting more and more granular into your, videos. There's a competitors section in here too. Again, managing competitors. This is not something I have access to. But again, the scorecard, I think once you get these in here, you can start to look at, your competitors and see how they score and how you score against that. So again, this is more in the next level up in the legendary account. Brand alerts, again, if you're looking to see if people are mentioning your brand, you can get alerts when that happens. A/B testing, this allows you again to do some, this or that testing, backups, exports, and some promotion material as well here. So here's where you can get links to like most recent uploads if you want to share these on social media. Again, very handy, most popular upload, all these different kind of extra links. Channel page with subscription pop-up. Now this is one of my favorites. Everybody should be using this link. If you're not, when you're sharing, a request to join, what happens here is when somebody lands on your page, well, it didn't happen this time. So normally, if we copy this and post this in directly, you get, I'm already subscribed, that's why. So what would happen here is you get a subscription prompt. It's not showing because I'm already obviously subscribed to my own channel. Anyway, super, very useful. And then setup has all your settings, all the different settings for this. You can do network checks, all kinds of things. So again, very quick overview of the TubeBuddy tool. So many neat things we covered here. I don't think we even looked at the health report. Yeah, so health report, main dashboard. This shows, how many views you have, the subscribers you're at, how many uploads, a little bit of performance metrics just over the last couple of, last 30 days, and some engagement stats, and then audience stats. Again, all pulling this stuff from your YouTube channel. But anyway, that's the tool. There's a link down below if you want to check it out and give it a try. I think there's a trial. The trial doesn't have as many features as the star level, and of course not as many features as the legendary, but definitely worth a try if you're just starting out. Get the trial and start, connecting it, start learning how it works. And as you post videos, use the checklist to make sure you're posting, videos that have all the right information and, everything's kind of configured properly. I hope this has been helpful. Again, please subscribe and like the video. If you find this helpful, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. More than happy to help on this or any subject to help you start and grow your business. Thanks for watching. I'm Craig, and this has been a video from Start and Grow. Have a great day.